In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about AMFilm's tempered glass for the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We're going to be going over the installation, we'll see how it fits, how it works with the in-display fingerprint sensor, and you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a drop and a scratch test to see how durable the screen protector is, and I promise you by the end of this video you'll know whether or not this screen protector is right for you. And if you guys do want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So in the package, we get an installation guide, we get an installation packet, and 3 tempered glass screen protectors. So the first thing we need to do is to thoroughly clean off our screen with one of the alcohol wipes. Then we're going to dry the screen off, then remove all the dust. Then take your installation guide, making sure that the top signifier here goes towards the camera on your phone. We'll just press this into place. Then take one of your screen protectors, making sure the camera cutout is going towards the camera on your phone. And we're going to make sure that the sticker is on the underside of the screen protector. Peel that off. And we'll just place this down inside the guide. And then run your finger up the middle. It should adhere to your screen. Once that's done, press down on the phone and then just gently lift up on the guide. Alright, so let's take a look at our screen. Installation was very easy. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see any lifting. This does almost come all the way up to the top of the phone. It just leaves a little gap for your speaker, and it also has a cutout for your camera as well. We also seem to have a slight gap all the way around our phone for case compatibility, which we will be checking out. As far as touch, feels nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. The edges are also rounded off. As you can see, the screen is nice and clear. No issues with touch. Working perfectly fine. Let's see how fingerprint rejection is. There are some smudges on the screen. Let's see how easily they just wipe away. And very easy, minimal effort. Very nice. And now let's test out our fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor works perfectly fine. And just to show you, I did not have Face ID on my phone. We'll go into our security here, device unlock. And as you can see, the face unlock is not set up, so I was just purely using my fingerprints. So now let's take a look at this. So now let's take a look at the screen as if we were looking at it through polarized sunglasses. So as you can see, I don't see any rainbow effect just looking at the screen dead on, but if we happen to turn it from side to side, there is just a very slight rainbow effect. And if you kind of turn it down even more when you're not looking at it, there is that burn, but if you're looking at it just normally, you won't see hardly any rainbow effect at all. So that's definitely a plus. So now let's put it in our case. And it seems like the screen protector comes almost right up to the edge of the case. There is still a slight gap around the corners and edges. So the screen protector should be compatible with most cases. That looks really nice. And the good thing about this screen protector is because there is just a slight gap, that's less spots for dirt and dust to collect in your phone. So everything's looking good for this screen protector so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to start off the test by dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. Moving on to 3 feet. 3 feet. So this screen protector lasted up until a 3-foot drop. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So typically tempered glass starts to scratch around a Mohs hardness number 6. So we're going to start the test with the number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then finally number 7. So now if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are a little deeper at the number 6 and deeper than that at the number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So installation for the screen protector was really easy. It also does seem to be case friendly. It lasted up until a 3-foot drop, and scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So everything about this screen protector did seem to be really good up to the drop test. Now, even though it only lasted up until a 3-foot drop, it will still protect your screen from drops and scratches, but the screen protector will probably crack easier than maybe some of the other tempered glass. But again, you do get 3 tempered glass screen protectors in your pack. But what do you guys care about the most? Do you care about drop protection, scratch protection, fingerprint rejection? Let me know in the comments what means most to you. So if you guys do want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.